This is Shadow Walker 1776 welcoming you back to another tabletop review. And what we have here is something I've had around for a number of years. I picked it up. I was kind of happy with it. It's a compass. It's actually made in Switzerland. And as you can see from the logo, it was sold through Victorinox, a Swiss Army compass. It's kind of a neat little compass. It's box shaped, has a lanyard. This is actually a sighting system very similar to that of a firearm. But it pulls open, has a liquid-filled compass, and it has a mirror here so that you can read the compass. So what it is, you can line sight down across here at a distance object, rotating here, and then getting a bearing. If you had to call in a bearing or you just needed to take a bearing on a distant object. It was kind of an interesting compass I picked up. I've enjoyed using it over the years. You can see it has a little scale on the side as well. The back is marked Swiss made, recta, and it says type D as in dog, P as in Paul 2. So, Swiss Army compass. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and as always, watch your six.